So now we add the coconut milk, the coconut cream, anywhere you want to call it.
Me no fi cook up, but me no fi depend on no one. No fi season up me meat with me thyme and scallion. With a little sweet pepper, couple slice of onion, and a touch of garlic. Chat up at the mention.
Hey, what going on, people? Welcome back to my channel. So today we make rice and shrimps. Here are the ingredients. So we can use this is vinegar. We have salsa Lizano. Take this one right here. In here I have cut up onion, have garlic, and have sweet pepper. And this one you use mixed vegetable. This is optional. If you want to put this, if you don't want to, you don't have. Half pound of shrimps. And since we have half pound of shrimps, we're using 1 pound of rice. So try to help you with that. Okay, here, so we got this sweet pepper, we got onion, and we have garlic chopped up already. We can use 1 tablespoon of mustard. Now we add the vinegar, and then you add the Lizano sauce. And you give this a good stir, mix up everything. We add 1 tablespoon of consomme. Consomme de bouillon, one of this.
And what is bouillon in English?
Consomme de chicken. Mix that up. Okay, so now we add the either we're gonna say not much. Right now. How we got to rice? Rice. Not use soap, not use no soap now. Okay, so we can put in some mixed vegetable. Again, this is optional.
Oh, your face no come out.
I don't need my face. Let me see what we're now. I put not much. So we put like alright.
I feel like I go.
We add the rice now.
Behind the scene.
Where all that way behind the scene, brother? Story. No story. No, I could have been not here.
So now we add the coconut milk, the coconut cream, anywhere you want to call it. You want to get close up.
Delicious. Bossy 14 for life. Madi again.